You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this name? We've got a very good video where George Michael says it himself, so we're gonna let him teach you. Let's hear it.
Georgios Kyriacos Panayiotou.
I know it's hard to catch. Let's hear it again.
My name is Georgios Kyriacos Panayiotou.
Georgios Kyriacos Panayiotou, as far as I understand. Georgios Kyriacos Panayiotou. Panayiotou. Georgios Kyriacos Panayiotou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.